Okay, we're to graph each of these lines and then try to see where the lines intersect. That point is the solution of the linear system. Now notice that 2 divides into every coefficient here, so I would start by dividing everything in half for that second equation to make the numbers smaller. The result of that is 7x minus 5y equals 35. Notice how similar that is to the first equation. In fact, if I was to take away, let's see here, let's make these more similar. If I was to take 5y away from both sides of the first equation, the result of that is going to be 7x minus 5y equals minus 35. This suggests that these lines are parallel. Indeed, we can put each into slope-intercept form by taking 7x away from both sides of this one, and by taking 7x away from both sides of this one. The result is negative 5 times y equals negative 7x plus 35. And this one becomes negative 5y equals negative 7x minus 35. And finally, if we divide both sides by negative 5, both sides of both equations, here's what we get. The negative 5's cancel, so you're left with y equals negative 7 divided by negative 5 is 7/5 x, and negative 5 goes into positive 35 negative 7 times. So notice that this line has a slope of 7/5. Let's see about the second line, which was originally the first line. So this one is y equals 7/5 x plus negative 5 goes into negative 35 plus 7 times. So notice that they have the same slope, but they have different y-intercepts, negative 7 versus positive 7. So these lines are parallel. Which means that the system is inconsistent. This means there is no solution to this problem. These lines are parallel and never intersect.